and gentlemen, please welcome Marceline Samuel from Chennai, Tamil Nadu, in the category of Change Maker. With nearly 2 decades in public speaking and performance arts, she empowers children to express themselves confidently through creative and globally aligned education. Let us celebrate her remarkable journey with the prestigious national title at the South India Women Achievers Awards 2025.
This is Marceline Samuel, and I'm coming from Chennai for this Saiva Awards. First and foremost, I would like to thank the jury, the team, which has taken so much of effort for honoring women, and it's such a proud moment. And this award really means a lot for each one of us who's working towards certain mission, right? So I've been recognized for Changemaker Impact, and this Changemaker Impact works in a way like for the last 2 decades. I've been running an academy for music and for speech, which also comes into performance arts. And my recent change and shift, I started working with public speaking and communication skills, which I felt has become very important these days, not just as an individual, as an adult who's coming on stage or talking. It's like I started training for the age group for 4 years onwards, because for the little ones, especially this, in today's scenario, it felt like they have the more need on this. So that really changed many lives of the young kids who are growing up for the future, and the parents started enjoying the way the children changes. They started seeing into this. That's something which I enjoy doing this work, and I'm continuing to do the mission. And to an extent, I went writing a book. I've authored a book recently called Eloquence Handbook for Kids. So it's a guidance for any parent, teachers or students who can pick it up and start working with the children for ages up to 10 years or 12 years. They can work along with that. And being a woman, it's not just staying behind. Whatever best we can work with, I'm able to do it in today's society.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the journey of honor, journey of pride, journey of celebration, journey of recognition. Welcome to the South India Women Achievers Awards 2026.